Making your own clothes is such a rewarding hobby, and it's easier to get into than you might think. Hi, I'm Tilly. I'm a best-selling sewing author and founder of the award-winning sewing pattern company Tilly and the Buttons, and I would love you to join me for my online workshop, Sew an Easy Dress. I'm going to take you step by step through making the Lotta dress pattern, which is both easy to sew and easy to wear. This class is for you if you know how to use a sewing machine and now want to start making your own clothes. Or perhaps you've done a bit of dressmaking in the past and you want to brush up on your essential techniques. You're going to learn a whole wealth of dressmaking skills, from selecting suitable materials for your project, through cutting and marking your fabric, accurate seam construction and finishing, constructing a neat neckline, and handy techniques such as stay stitching, understitching, stitching in the ditch and more, plus lots of tips and tricks from me peppered throughout the class. By the end of this workshop, you will have a beautiful dress that you've made yourself, plus new skills and creative confidence that you can apply again and again to future dressmaking projects. You can take this workshop from home when it suits you. You can pause, rewind and re-watch the video lessons as many times as you like, and there are no deadlines, so you can revisit the workshop anytime you need a refresher. So sign up today and start making your very own easy dress.